sir, quorum is okay. Should we start with? Fine. So Priyanka madam has also joined. Ma'am, welcome, and I welcome Dr. Gaurav Lodha, Dr. Saurabh Sharma, Sunny Davarji, TK Jain sir, and special welcome to ND Mathur sir. Also, sir, namaskar. And you have joined, and this is a 6 monthly progress report. So please, Monu, please brief out it quickly because we have other meetings.
Directors की meeting है.
Sir, just for 10 minutes only. Only 10 minutes it will be done, sir. So Monu, please continue with your presentation.
Good afternoon, all. It's my 8th 6 monthly progress report, and the title of my research is Impact Analysis of Financial Capability on Personal Finance Decision Making. The objective of my study is to estimate the financial capability and financial literacy score of working population, to analyze the impact of demographic characteristics affecting financial capability, to assess the influence of financial literacy score on financial capability, to analyze the impact of financial capability score on financial decision making, to develop a suggestive framework for improvement of financial decision making of working women. It's my work schedule. In last semester, I have updated my questionnaire as per the recommendation of SDC committee. I have collected of my data. Approximately 150 data has been collected, and 200 data is to be collected yet. Because of COVID, I was not able to collect that data, and within 1 or 1.5 months, I'll collect that data. I've attended 2 webinars and also wrote research paper and searching for a good Scopus journal to get it published. And this is my
searching for a good Scopus journal. अभी जो इस पे search करोगे, फिर research पे search करोगे.
Sir, I need to go for that कि मुझे अभी I'm not getting aware of more Scopus journals. That's why I'm looking for that.
एक research इसके लिए भी करनी पड़ेगी. इस कौन सा good research Scopus paper है?
And this is my work done with deadlines.
Jampala ji, this is what it is to be done, I suppose. Anything else, if required, because this is 6 monthly report itself.
Stage कहाँ तक पहुँच गई आपकी, मोनू?
Sir, I have started my data collection, and within 1 and 1.5, because of last 3 months due to COVID, I was not able to collect that data. Now I have started my work again, and within 1 and 1.5 months, I'll complete my work of data collection.
Sir, one good news is that Monu has resigned from CompuCom, where she was working from last 10 years, and has joined JNU, Jaipur National University.
Jaipur National University.
Under guidance of TN Mathur साहब.
TN Mathur साहब के पास पहुंच गया.
हाँ जी सर.
ये उन्हीं की शिष्या है पुरानी.
उन्हीं की शिष्या है.
हाँ जी.
Mahesh ji, anything else to be done? Jampala sir? Jampala ji, you are not audible, sir. Priyanka madam, any other inputs? Jain sir, TK Jain sir, anything you want to? Jampala ji, कुछ और इसमें कुछ और required है क्या?
Manvinder ji, I am signing out.
Sir, fine sir. Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Priyanka madam.
Sir, I think that is fine, and that she's in the process of collecting her data, so she can do it through online ways the way she can, and wishing her all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
And sir may be busy, so yeah, sir may be busy. I think you can collect it online and through other modes also.
Yeah, through
right?
Google Forms.
Yeah.
I'm also collecting.
Yeah, so I think people will respond now because some people are there at home, so maybe he'll get your data collected easily.
I'll do it as soon as possible, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay, so that is what to say.
Fine. Thank you. Without your concluding remarks,
Thank you, sir.
and best
Are you
wishes,
sure?
Priyanka ji, it's really necessary. And this was my last meeting from, I think, from the morning. This is the 7th SDC, which there was a marathon today. 5 proposals presented, and finally approved also.
That's up to
Fortunately.
you and great.
So thank you, Mahesh ji. Thank you, Saurabh sir, Sunny sir, TK Jain sir, Priyanka ji. Special thanks to you for your good wishes, and Bhargavi
Thank you
and
very
Anmol also for their presence here. So I'm just stopping the recording now.